What are you doing?
Stealing.
Stealing what?
Your car.
What?
I can't fit.
Good. Don't steal my car. What are you doing? Nice sunglasses.
I know.
Where'd you get those?
I bought them.
You bought them, huh? Where'd you buy Guitarmageddon ZL1 sunglasses at?
From Nick.
From Nick? Nick, you bought them from Nick?
Yep.
Interesting. Well, enjoy the car and have a safe ride to Bloomington. And hello YouTube, welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So as you know, I just got back from Motorama. It was a great trip. Love hanging out with my friends up there in PA. And we got a lot of snow up there in just a short amount of time. Well, it's 77 degrees yesterday here and over 80 today. So as you saw beginning of the video, Miss Onion stole my Camaro. She's been diving and swimming since she was 7 years old. So she's actually driving to Bloomington, Indiana after school today so that she can be with her swim and dive team for regionals or some advanced placement in the dive world. So I'm gonna drive the Corvette to work since it's so nice. Hello girls. And so I gotta move those cars. I gotta move the Tesla. Somebody asked me last night if I still have the Tesla. I do still have the Tesla. That's Onion's car, so I'm gonna move that out of the way. And then I will be off to work and tell you a little bit of the story about this color. So as you can see, I am not in the Corvette. It is now raining here in Louisville because yesterday, the day I was doing production, the SD card messed up on this one video. It was a fantastic video. Of course it's gonna mess up, right? No stutters, no hiccups, no cuts. It was just one smooth video. So of course, like I just said, it's gonna mess up and I gotta reshoot it. So here I am again in the Camaro this time, in the rain, going through downtown Louisville safely with shooting the video once again. So here's the quick story. Special order a car for a customer. The customer orders it before the plant shut down, or before the right at the plant shut down, and sits there and gets the car coming in. Well, he sees the 18 Long Beach Red cars come in and he's like, wait a second, the color's changed, Mike. I looked at your Long Beach Red car and that's how I decided on the color, and your car and what's out there now is completely different. And I'm like, you're crazy, man. They didn't change the color. Internally, everything's 100% the same. The same color code, same name, everything that I'm seeing is the same. I've got 2018 color palette books and it's the exact same paint code internally, like the G code. So I'm like, you're crazy, Mr. Customer. And I became good friends with this customer, so I'm saying it facetiously and being funny, but I'm like, dude, you're crazy. You're nuts. You're off the wall. So long story short, he did not take delivery of that car because he thinks the car was going to be a different color. He saw the deals that were happening on the 2017 leftover models, and he took delivery of a 2017 that we had in stock. So this comes to your opinion, and I'm going to go in and clean my car up. Actually, I've already done it since I'm reshooting this video. Cleaning my car up. I'm going to show you my 2016 next to a 2018 Long Beach Red, and I want to see your opinion on if the color changed. So side note is that the plant, as you know, spent well over $1 billion on the paint shop alone. New paint shop, new everything. So with this new paint shop, did something change the way the paint is applied? That's what I don't know. So if anybody's out there, I've got enough people out there in Corvette world that I've never really asked this question, so I might pose this out there later on privately with my contacts. But that's the question. So let's get to the dealership. I will show you the cars that I shot yesterday. I'll show you the cars and you can decide if the color has changed or not. This one's my car. This one's the 2018 Grand Sport. Both are Long Beach Red. Both are the same exact color paint codes as I mentioned earlier on the way here. So let's go take a look at them. I'm gonna do a little bit of a really try to get a good comparison. I'm going to do it on the inside, just outside the doors. There's a shadow. I'm going to pull them out into the sun. That way we can see all the contrast of this car, because this car does change colors based off of clouds, based off of sun, based off of shadows, based off of indoors, outdoors. It's amazing on how well this car changes colors, and one reason why I love it. Start at this angle right here, and my quick opinion is I think they're different colors. It's crazy. I'm gonna walk on the other side and see it from the distance. That way we have the Grand Sport close up and my car far away. So, but we'll walk right by here, and man, this one's a little darker. So, as you know, the Corvette plant changed the paint factory part of the process. So right here it's a little different. I still think this one's darker. It's crazy how much is darker, and I actually, believe it or not, I kind of like this color better. It's amazing. So the really cool thing about this, and this really good comparison, is we have chrome wheels on that one, we have chrome wheels on that one, so it's not any difference. The only difference exterior wise is that we have chrome badging and I have black badging on mine. Still have the black grille and all that good stuff, but so far it does look different. Let's pull it outside and see what it's like. Outside now in the shade, you can see the sun's out there. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Louisville, which warranted me to drive the car. So there it is in the shade. So again, I'm going to do what I think is a good comparison, not bipartisan, all that good stuff, kind of close, far away from each car. And man, I gotta tell you, my customer was right, 100% right. That is a different color. But like I said, showing them on the inside, kind of like that new red, and that might be the difference in the new paint shop with Corvette. So let's get them out into the sun and I will show you the difference in the sun. Starting in the back on this one, because the sun is behind me. It's about 10:30, 11 o'clock here in Louisville as I'm shooting this video. So just kind of looking at it from the back. Back here, it looks a little different. It looks the same. I mean, just the way the goofiness of the car goes. So a little dirty tailpipes. If anybody wants to clean them for me, they can drive my car. I hate cleaning wheels, as you know. I'll give you a ride in the car and you can drive it for all I care if you come clean my car and do it good. So we'll walk up to the side here and try to get this way. Again, little difference. Let's walk over here. We'll do it from this angle because the sun is very, very important on these cars. You can see right there. So and this is a good reason why I changed my rear tail lamps too. I like the white clear tail lamps rather than the red. It's a clashing color. I think that looks more classic. It looks more flowing, all that good stuff. And I'm glad I did black emblems on my car because that blends in, which is kind of exactly what I wanted to do with the car. I really would have rather had black wheels on my car, but I think the chrome pops on this car more. So we'll come up through the middle here and look at it as well as we walk through here. It's kind of hitting the shadows and stuff like that. And then I'll come around here to the front, which the sun's not going to help us in this endeavor, which is why I started in the back of this. But you can see, man, it's crazy how well it does. And I think the camera is doing a really, really good job of me seeing the color in person and the camera picking it up. So this is that, I'm shooting on my Canon G7X that I just bought and that I've just vlogged about. But you can see that set up there. I'm gonna do, sorry about the wind too. If it's wind's crazy today, again, I'm getting some stuff to take out the wind noise. But there you go, man. I think they did change the color of the car. So there you have it, 2016 2LT Z51 car, 2018 2LT Grand Sport. Same color from the factory, Long Beach Red, same color code, all that good stuff. But I'm with my customer, they changed the color. Now, I don't think, again, it will warrant changing your mind on the car. I really like the color of the car still. I'm not disappointed that they changed it in any way, shape, or form. It's going to still be a great selling car, but I'm glad I got that color. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below in the description. And hey, I think I'm gonna start modding this car. So the more subscribers I get, the more stuff I can get going on this car. And when I get this done, I'm gonna call Nick out, man. I'm gonna smoke his Camaro in my Corvette. So I know him and Mike are battling a little bit, which is always fun. But hey, make sure you like the video, share the video, and I'm gonna put this thing up. My goal, 1100 horsepower without nitrous. That's gonna be my goal. So I'm gonna hit it, and then I'm just gonna smoke by any Camaro, any Mustang, other Corvettes, all that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe to it, hit the like button, hit that thumbs up button, and then hit that bell notification. So look forward to seeing you on the next vlog. Thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic day and drive safely.